What's up? This is Theon.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
My name's Okanuwin.
Hi, my name's Dayton.
And this is the Rover Drive project video. For this project, we were tasked with designing an RC rover to navigate through an obstacle course. This challenged us to think like engineers, problem solve, and work as a team.
And throughout the 10 weeks that we had to complete this project, every week we had to focus and figure out what we wanted to get accomplished. So from weeks 1 to 2, we mostly focused on team building and really getting to know each other, choosing a captain and delegating parts. From weeks 2 to 5, we worked on our actual SolidWorks design and worked together to put together a presentation to present to the TAs on week 5. And then after that, from weeks 5 to 9, we got our design approved, and we were given the green light to start building. So right now we are working on fabrication, assembly, putting all the electronic components together, and really just preparing our rover so we can compete on week 10.
Today we had a problem with the gears meshing, so we need to figure out how to move the motor and the differential apart from each other. Yeah, and then we're solving it by just moving the motor plate back.
In order to make our rover the fastest in our lab, we plan on balancing sturdiness and lightweightness, using plywood for our chassis, and also making it as small as possible to carry less weight.
During our time in 7A, we had to use computer-aided design, SolidWorks specifically, to design and test a rover, and it would compete in a course at the end of the term. It's important that as engineers, we design things in CAD before we actually build them, because it can open up a lot of windows to see what might be wrong with the design. So we actually had multiple iterations. The first one, a lot wrong, multiple errors, design errors that would have drastically affected the functionality of the robot. And by the end of the third or fourth iteration, we had a robot that was well designed, well constrained, and we were able to build and actually operate it on the track.